Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you how to make one of my favorites, homemade lasagna. We have some ingredients. First we have mozzarella cheese. It's great to mix in the ricotta. Then we have Parmesan cheese, 1 bag of each. And then we have ricotta cheese. It's yummy Galbani. It doesn't really matter what kind you get, but you can get a large kind, small kind. I like to get large because I like my lasagna creamy. And the best part about it is that you don't have to cook the noodles. These are oven-ready lasagna noodles. You just add extra sauce on the noodles, and you put it in the oven, and the sauce cooks the noodles, so you don't have to worry about cooking your noodles. Also, we've got some yummy ragu chunky traditional sauce. Works wonders. Any kind of sauce will work. You can use Hunt's. And we have 1 egg to mix in the ricotta. It's gonna be delicious. Here we go. Ready? All right. We gotta make the ricotta first. Okay, this should work. So you have your ricotta cheese. Kind of mix it up. Anyways, here's some Parmesan. That smells good. Sprinkle some cheese. Next we have mozzarella. That's good too. Now, some people like to put seasoning in their ricotta. You know, you can do whatever you want. You can put some salt in there, some pepper, add a little flavor. But I like my cheese creamy and plain. And then we gotta add the egg and mix it up. Okay, so we gotta mix it now. I think that's good. You gotta lather the bottom of the pan with sauce. What you're gonna do is make layers. Okay, since it's a lather on the bottom, you do 3 noodles. 3. Okay, next you do sauce again because you got to make sure the noodles get cooked. They won't get cooked if you don't put a lot of sauce on the noodles. It's gonna scoop up the ricotta and put layers of ricotta. Okay, so let's see. Here's mozzarella. Don't put too much because then it'll be like hard to eat. Just a little bit like that, sprinkled on top. Next, put some Parmesan. There you go. Next, there might be extra ricotta because this is a lot of ricotta, but it's worth it. There we go. Now ready for the second layer. And I have more sauce if we need it. It's a very slow process, but it's worth it and it's great for the leftovers. This is the last layer. It goes in at 400 degrees. Okay, we're almost done. You gotta be very careful with it, very intricate. You want to get the sauce all over the noodles. Okay, next you do the cheese. I like lots of cheese on the top. And then next we do Parmesan. Now, we have to cover the lasagna so it cooks thoroughly. Okay, I have Pam Ultimate Non-Stick Cooking Spray. And what you do is you spray the non-shiny side of the foil like that, so the cheese doesn't stick to the foil. That's why you do it. Okay, now we let it cook for 45 minutes, actually probably 40 minutes, and then take the foil off and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Brown the cheese a little bit. That's how you do it. Oh, let's put a timer on. 40 minutes and then 10 minutes. Okay, so I took the foil off. There's 10 minutes left on the clock. I'm gonna let it cook for 10 minutes. It's cooked all the way. There we go. And then I have some New York Texas toast, 5 cheese. It's delicious. And I'm gonna cook 4 pieces. And it says cook 8 to 10 minutes at 425. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the temperature up to 425. And then I'm gonna pop it in the oven. And let it cook. We got 8 minutes left and then we're ready to eat. Oh, hey! Here's the lasagna. You can tell it's done because the noodles are kind of like flipped, kind of look like a spoon. And that's how you tell it's done. But you let it sit, you let the sauce settle before you serve it. Because if you don't, it'll spill and get sloppy. You gotta let it settle for at least 15-20 minutes. And then you got your toast. I'm gonna let it sit so it stays warm. And there you go, voila, lasagna and toast. So you just need to check it with a fork, and if it goes all the way through, then it's done. See you later.